Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add headings in Google Docs. So here I have already opened my file and I want to make this part, this reference part as the heading. So what you guys need to do is just like a block or select the part that you want to add as headings, and then after that go to this styles at the tops. Just click on that and here you'll see there is heading 1, 2 or 3 options. So for example, I want to just apply as a heading 1. Just click on that and then here it will change as a heading, but to make it more like a heading you can just insert and then you can make it in the new page. Just make add a page break like this and here is the new heading. Okay guys, so that's a very easy tutorial for you guys who don't know how to add heading in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.